Welcome to the best picks. The best eyebrow pencil sharpener is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools in any makeup enthusiast's arsenal, transforming dull, blunt pencils into precise instruments capable of crafting perfectly defined brows that frame your face and elevate your entire look, ensuring every stroke is sharp, clean, and effortlessly applied for a polished finish that lasts all day long. Number 5. Julep Cosmetic Makeup Pencil Sharpener. Achieve a flawless point for your eyeliner, lip liner, or eyebrow pencils. This sharpener ensures precision for all your makeup needs. Its compact size makes it perfect for your makeup bag or travel kit. Take it anywhere and keep your pencils ready on the go. Maintaining this sharpener is a breeze. Simply clean it with ease to ensure it's always ready for your next use. Designed to work with both wood and plastic pencils, it's the only sharpener you'll need. Get a perfect edge on any cosmetic pencil. Crafted with high-quality German steel, it delivers exceptional sharpness and durability. Experience the difference of superior engineering. What we like? This sharpener features German-made steel for precision. It works on both wood and plastic pencils, making it incredibly versatile. If you're looking for a compact, easy-to-clean option for travel, this is the one for you. What people say. This sharpener is designed to sharpen both standard and jumbo eyeliner pencils, making it a versatile tool for any makeup collection. The sharpener features a durable blade that stays sharp for a long time, ensuring a clean and precise point every time you sharpen your pencils. It has a built-in reservoir that collects shavings, keeping your makeup area clean and tidy. Number 4. Mr. Pen Handheld Metal Pencil Sharpener 6-Pack. Introducing the Mr. Pen Handheld Metal Pencil Sharpener. This pack includes 6 high-quality sharpeners designed for durability and performance. Effortlessly sharpen both standard and jumbo pencils with its convenient 2-hole design. It's perfect for a wide range of writing and coloring tools. Featuring a premium sharpened steel blade, it gently sharpens your pencils, crayons, and even highlighters. Experience a smooth and clean cut every time. Ideal for any setting, whether it's school, the office, or your home art projects. It's designed for both regular and colored pencils. Enjoy a sharp and long-lasting steel blade that ensures consistent results. These sharpeners are built to last. What we like? With its durable metal construction and dual-hole design, this sharpener handles both standard and jumbo pencils with ease. You get a pack of 6, offering excellent value. If you need a reliable, long-lasting sharpener for everyday use at school or the office, this multi-pack is a smart choice. What people say. This sharpener is great for my eyebrow pencils. It sharpens them to a perfect point every time. I love that this sharpener has a built-in container to catch the shavings. It makes cleanup so easy. The design of this sharpener is very compact and portable. I can easily take it with me on the go. Number 3. LAVONE 4-in-1 Eyebrow Pen Kit. Achieve perfectly shaped and full brows with our innovative 4-in-1 kit. It includes everything you need for flawless application. Enjoy long-lasting wear that stays put all day. Its waterproof and smudge-proof formula ensures your look remains impeccable, rain or shine. This versatile tool combines a brow pencil, pomade, and eyeliner for ultimate convenience. It also features a built-in brush for seamless blending. Create natural-looking or bold, full brows with ease. The rich, dark brown shade complements most skin tones for a beautiful finish. Designed for women seeking effortless beauty, this kit is your secret weapon. Get ready to elevate your brow game with this essential makeup tool. What we like? This is a comprehensive 4-in-1 eyebrow kit, offering a waterproof and smudge-proof formula for long-lasting wear. It includes a brow brush for easy application. If you desire natural-looking, full brows that stay put all day, even in humid conditions, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. This sharpener is great for my eyebrow pencils. It sharpens them to a fine point, which is perfect for precise application. I love how compact and easy to use this sharpener is. It fits perfectly in my makeup bag and sharpens my pencils quickly and efficiently. The blades are very sharp and durable, ensuring a clean and smooth sharpening every time. My pencils look like new after using it. Number 2. Revlon Universal Makeup Sharpener. Introducing the Revlon Universal Makeup Sharpener, designed for precision and versatility. It's the perfect tool for all your makeup pencils. Achieve a precise point with every use, ensuring your pencils are always ready. It sharpens almost all pencil sizes with incredible accuracy. This sharpener is incredibly versatile. It's designed to work with all Revlon pencils, as well as almost all other wooden and plastic cosmetic pencils. Don't worry about different sizes. For larger cosmetic pencils, simply pull out the adapter ring to ensure a perfect fit. Maintenance is a breeze. The top lifts easily to empty shavings, and the blades are simple to clean with the included safety pick. It's the essential tool for any makeup lover. Keep your lip and brow pencils perfectly sharpened with ease. What we like? Its universal adapter allows it to sharpen almost all pencil sizes with total precision, including larger cosmetic pencils. Cleaning is a breeze with its lift-top design. If you need a versatile sharpener that can handle a wide range of makeup pencils and is simple to maintain, this is an excellent option. What people say. It has a sharpener that works well for eyebrow pencils. The sharpener is designed to be compact and easy to use. It effectively sharpens various types of eyebrow pencils, including those with softer cores. Number 1. NYX Professional Makeup Double Hole Sharpener. Introducing the NYX Professional Makeup Double Hole Sharpener. It's designed to perfectly sharpen both jumbo and regular-sized eyeliner and lip liner pencils, ensuring you always have a fine point. Crafted with high-quality steel, it offers a smooth sharpening experience. The built-in compartment collects all shavings, keeping your space clean and tidy. This is a must-have accessory for any professional makeup artist. It complements our full range of tools and accessories designed for your lifestyle. We are committed to being a cruelty-free brand, certified by PETA. You can trust that no animals were harmed in the making of our products. Explore the full collection of NYX Professional Makeup. From eyeshadow and lipstick to concealers and setting sprays, we have everything you need for a flawless finish. What we like? This sharpener features a double-hole design for both jumbo and regular-sized pencils, with a built-in compartment to catch shavings for a mess-free experience. It's also from a cruelty-free brand. If you appreciate a clean sharpening process and support ethical beauty brands, this is a great choice for your makeup bag. What people say. This sharpener is great for my eyebrow pencils. It sharpens them to a fine point, which is perfect for precise application. I love how compact and easy to use this sharpener is. It fits perfectly in my makeup bag and sharpens my pencils quickly and efficiently. The blades are very sharp and durable, ensuring a clean and smooth sharpening every time. It doesn't break the pencil lead, which is a common problem with other sharpeners. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.